In this video tutorial I will show you how you can add a custom background to your Instagram stories. First open Instagram app. Then find a post you want to share to your story. I'm going to choose this photo. Now I will share this post on my story and add the same photo as a background. I'm going to take a screenshot. Now I will select the share button and add this post on the story. Next, tap on this little sticker icon at the top. Now tap on this button here. Select a photo which you want to add as a custom background. Select your post and make it as small as possible. And then drag it to the bottom. Then select your custom background photo and make it full screen. Make sure that you leave a little space on the bottom. Now tap on your post and then adjust it to the center. So that is the only way how you can add a custom background to your Instagram story.